Hey, where's the scene? Morning. And now jump on was busy whole morning doing some other stuff, so now jump on to the site. See how the trade's going that I had on trying to build this position since last night. So days where we at, we trading. So the top account is the sim account, which everything being copied from, as mentioned in the last stream, and we have. So there's the top account, and then we have three evaluations, 300k evaluations, and then this one here is the 50k. We had a better drawdown last week, which sucks. And then I created this sim account with just 2k to test out some bots that I'm working on. So I mainly trade, bots on forex and wanted to do the same on futures. Now, unfortunately, with Bullnox, we can't trade any bots, but still kind of working on some bot projects. So let me show you what I have so far. So if we go to the strategy analyzer, right? So uh, I have the harvester bot, and how I program it, it's pretty simple. You can see that a lot of it is more or less simple candlestick patterns. You could control the contract size, and you could control the trend. So using a exponential moving average just to determine if we're in an uptrend or downtrend. Simple. And this being done for each one of them. So you can see how simple this is, and you wouldn't believe. So let me just load the ES, and I already created some set files. So you can see for the ES, we just traded the bearish engulfing and the PSN line. So everybody calls this the Rob reversal, and saw it on Quant Trader Edge, but it's a simple pattern called the PSN line, right? So if we just run the test on the PSN line alone before the engulfing, so we check in from 2023, from January 2023 to now. You can see this is what the equity curve look like. So this is just the PSN line trading on the 60-minute time frame. If we look at our chart, you can see how this works. So how I wanted to do this was simple. When you get a pattern, you take it and you exit once the current high is higher than the previous high. So that way you kind of let the market do what it wants, and you try to determine a stop on a target. So that is how that works. So you can see we took this position here, same thing here. So that is how that works at the PSN line. And then if we do the engulfing, so this is bearish engulfing to go long, because the Nasdaq and the Dow is like mean reverting instruments. So we're looking for a pullback to go long, right? So now you can see in this one, this is where we at. So this is just using the bearish engulfing alone, and we have max drawdown of 1285 with profits of 13,000 over 2 years. So I think those numbers pretty good for what I want. So if we combine both of them now and we run it, yeah, so 13,000 for the 2 years, and then 1200 drawdown. So the chart doesn't look bad. And if we go the NASDAQ. I can see the only thing really changed here is the contract size and basically the trend period that we're using. So if we use the PSN line alone, run that. See where we at. 6,008 with a $900 drawdown. And Asian Golfing 13,000 with a $1,500 drawdown. So if we combine them now, 19k with a $1,000 drawdown. So yeah, this is kind of what I am planning to do for Top Step, especially because I can't trade any algos on Bullnox, unfortunately. So yeah. Right, so the last one, I mean, I still have to go through and do some testing for the rest. Looking at the YM, you can see for the YM we're using 3 bullish solar pattern. So that is three consecutive green candles. So if we just go with the PSN line first, 5k with a $300 drawdown. Because of that, I think we could up this size a bit. Let me see, 4. 7k with $500 drawdown. I mean, I could push it a bit more than that. I'm trying to stay under 1k drawdown. And then every symbol is different, so let me say 7. 13k with a 800. I mean, that is not bad. That is 3.14 profit factor. So let me see. We see what happens if we do the 3 bullish soldiers. What kind of drawdown we have? 2k for about 500. I don't know, I don't know if I like in this one. I don't know. What I could do is, let me see if if we leave this out altogether, we focus on the PSN line and we jump to 7 micros. The difference is about $2,000. Almost $3,000 with about a couple $100 increase. Um, yeah, so I guess this doesn't reduce the drawdown that much. We'll save this as YM 60 minute. So yeah, this is three simple strategies for now. Looking to use on top step. We're still in this position. I'm targeting yesterday, day before yesterday highs, which is very doable. I wanted to add more to scale into this position a bit more, but alright, let me see if we can get this push back up. Head towards that 21,000. I mean, one of the reasons I had this long bias today is because on the Plex water as well, we had a long signal here. So we are 0.71% on this account. Now this account is a Palm account. You could get the information on that. I mean, I still need to put it out, I guess. But yeah, this account is a Palm account on TMGM. There's another account we have running with the Plex budgets on these two symbols. We have 2% today. So not too shabby, not too shabby. We're getting a little stuck around here. On the daily chart, I think we still based on the average candle range, I think we still have quite a ways to go once we keep pushing up. These bars here we're looking at, alright, let me forget this bar. That is a large bar, this is like an average bar. About 1,000 ticks. So far we up 422 ticks. Right, so the next strategy I want to add to this is the RSI 2. So we had set the RSI 2 with a boolean, so we can switch it on and off if needed. Right. So apart from that, we have the settings for the RSI 2. So we have the RSI 2. What I mean setting is to determine the overall trend direction. So we go set this to 40. Gonna adjust that after. Then we have the exit. And according to the rules of that strategy, the exit is 9 exponential. So we have the trend, we have the exit period, we need the contract size. The contract size, according to the rules, it's based on 1% of the value of the average true range. But since I don't know if we'll be using that, we just set the contract size at 1 micro, and then we could adjust it as we go. Again, we need, what again do we need? again we need the RSI values. RSI level, that is 95, and the RSI low level, which is 5. The only thing I don't like with Ninjatrader, I can rearrange the order this, and I want the contract size. I want the contract size and the period to be the contract size, especially to be at the bottoms. So we will remove this and I'll add it in after. Let me just pull back up my MetaTrader 4. See what values I had. I built it out already for MetaTrader 4. We have the exit period, the RSI period, well, is 2, we're not changing that, the high level, the low level, 21 bars we're looking at, 100. So if we look at the code here for this strategy, we're going to the RSI low level to be under the RSI value of whatever our calculation works out to be. RSI value is just checking the RSI, and then we're waiting for the low to be below that, and then we get a long signal and then take that. Right, so let me add in the RSI contract size. So that would be that should be it there. Compile this. So once you see we have all the RSI settings here right now. Right. Let's do the exit first. Exit, we need the price. It's for a long position. We need price to close less than exponential moving average, that is the RSI exit period. And this will trigger exit long, and we exit in the number of contracts being the RSI contract size, and we come back and name the signal name, but we'll call this RSI long exit. So it's a long exit, copy this. Well, actually, we could duplicate the entire thing. Change this if the close is greater than that. Greater than, we exit. Exit short. Call this RSI. Short exit with the number of contracts being RSI contract size. Now, for the entry, we need close RSI. Now the question is, how we input in the levels? The RSI 2 to be less than a miscellaneous low level. I guess that should work. Let's see if we just take a long position and we call it inputs contract size, and we call it psi long. Okay, and back here and we exit the long from that. See if this actually work now. We switch these off and we could do the NQ. Check my tested settings. RSI for Plex we have 5 to 8 and 200. So looking at 200, 8, 5, 1 contract. Now we test this on NQ on the daily bar. to end at session close. See if this works. What are we missing? Are we missing something? So for some reason we can't run on the daily bar. Let me see if we could fix that. Daily bar breakout. Not taking any trades on the daily time frame. Don't know why. So it's a minute. Right. Check the charts and see if it's actually taking trades out of all. Just to fix it now. It does not take any long positions. Okay, so I left out the most important thing. So we have to be close is greater than exponential moving average of the trend period. Any position. Let me see. Something is wrong with Indy. In what I said we're looking for. Check this. All right. So we having a problem somewhere, obviously. Five. We getting 16 trades. So we have an issue in here. If close is so your bars are go must be greater than trend period, which is 200. RSI close. Wait, I don't get it. Somewhere there is a issue. 60-minute time frame, 200. We plot things on the chart. So we put the two hundred. Say 2. Upper level is 95. Lower level is, the lower level is 5. No, 95. Okay. The RSI 2. Let me check. Getting stuck somewhere. It's 5.95.
My dears on the table. They're looking very lovely. Hi. I didn't think you were sleeping. That I was calling you. You call the boy and I'm asking Monica. You're streaming? Oh, so you can't call him. Okay. No, the reason I was asking if I call him now. Huh? Yeah, because that's alright. Yeah, I know it's coming next week. Because you know this time of the year people always have car rent and things now, so you just kind of putting it in. Alright then. So later, guitar. Bye.
We check back. Check and see if that make a difference, because I put a smooth for the RSI, see what 0 would do. Okay. What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? Trades alone. Let me see here. Yeah, we had a trade. Biggest issue here is this RSI. -1. Let's plot this on one thing. Can't do -1. Zero bars ago. Should get a lot of losing trades if we get trades at all. 11, which is still wrong. Alright, I am missing something. I am missing something. What am I missing? I don't know what I'm missing. The RSI is about to go period 2. Less than or equal to, not crosses below. Silo level. Close is greater than. Time if side 2 is equal to true. Or I forget. Our trades here. Oh. To let me know if I'm missing something here with this RSI. The exit crossing about 5 is working. No, the exit crossing about 5 is on not working. What the hell? What in the hell? Some research and look at that because I have no idea what's going on. Checking across. Just below. Guys seem to be what's going on, so we don't want cross below. We're just looking for I don't believe that is it. It was plotting the average. Oh. Could that be it? Right, we got 124 trades now. We still having an issue because we didn't exit this long here, we didn't exit that long here. We still have an issue with exiting the long. Exit long position. Damn it. Okay, so the exit working now. Oh, we have to do some more research into this one to get this one up and running. I need to do some more looking into how to do this for Ninjatrader. Ugh, Ninjatrader would give me a headache. Where we at so far? We are almost there, just a little push again. Yeah, he TP. We could still go higher too. So could take profits here and then hold our bag and then wait for re-entry. So it's always an option. Approaching in the wrong number and just bouncing off of it. What we will grab $1,800. It come back up there, touch it, grab that. Look for something after. If we could get back up there, touch it. Alright, so they really look like they're going on not want to give us that. So, I mean, I could wait, but I think I'll take the 16 and take the 16 and look for another position later. So back up 100k on the XFAs, up 1k really. We up 300 on the master account. So if we pull back into this line, get a color change, move back up, could take another position and start building again. I still think the day is early. We could hit the 2100 or 21,000. So seems we got out at the right time. Don't mind I should have really tried to snatch it up here. But yeah, so we could look to start building another position. The system is on and we copy in, good to go. mean, I think we could call it a day and we're streaming for about an hour and 20 minutes. More likely they're not close off for the day. Yeah. So, if anyone watching, we all enjoy the rest of the day. And I will see you again next time. Whenever I on. See we put a close back up there if you will hit the target. When I may look for a position later and start building on this, because we have a 40% consistency rule. I need to try to hit like $1,000 days again. Should be doable. We look for about 500 ticks. Give or take. This was what? Given about here. About 500 ticks. Yeah. So I think that is it.